Hi guys, good morning. Andito tayo sa starting point ng Pasig River Esplanade sa may Fort Santiago. The goal today is to walk from point to point. This is the Pasig River flowing to the Manila Bay. That is the Fort Santiago. Teka, aso ba yun? Uy, ano siya punta dyan? Okay, I just saw an aso na natrap sa water lilies. So, hindi ko siya malapitan kasi this is the situation here. Pupunta ako sa security ng Fort Santiago. Baka they could do something. Kawawa naman yung aso. I think may amo siya at wala siya. Hindi ko alam paano siya napunta doon sa river. Kumapit siya somewhere. Saan pa siya naanon? Hindi ko alam. But I'm just bothered. And I need to do something about it by notifying the authorities here. So I just informed the authorities here through the security na may asong na-trap sa water lilies. However, I just confirmed na wala talagang access kasi wall na daw yan, pader na lang yan dyan. The remedy would be to tell the roving Coast Guard along Pasig River at naglilinis din ng or nag-aalis ng mga water lilies para kunin nila. Sorry, I cannot update you if ma-rescue siya. Let's just pray and hope for the best. Ganito siya guys. Walang access. Sabi ni Kuya, lulo na daw yan. Sorry dog. Kuya, andun pa rin yung aso. Po-inform yung Coast Guard ha. Thank you. Inform natin yung authorities dito. Kasi para ma-inform din nila yung authorities na pwedeng tumulong. Sana kung may makapag-update naman kung na-save yung aso para hindi naman tayo bothered all day. Pabalik na tayo guys. Punta na tayo ng other point